Hey you guys, what's going on? So I'm gonna try to make this video quick. I really truly am this time. So, I've been doing YouTube videos now for like over 10 years, and I tried to up my game a little bit recently. Well, not recently, probably in the last like year, 2 years. I've had a lot of people want me to do crochet tutorials because they like the patterns and stuff that I use. And I always say like, oh, I don't have the right setup, and whatever. So like probably about 5 years ago, I bought a Nikon D3200 camera. It's a DSLR camera. I used it like 2 times and then put it back in the bag and never used it again. And so I really do want to start doing more videos, but more tutorial type videos. But I want you guys to be able to see, and as you guys can see right now, like right now I'm using my iPad to record, and normally I use my iPad, my iPhone, and then recently I've also been using my my laptop. I have an HP laptop. So I've been using those 3 things to record, and it's just like the quality is not horrible, but anything that can help the quality be better, I'm all for. And as you can see right now, like my lighting, I have a light. I'm recording here in my living room. The light is not the best. Normally when I do record my videos, it's in the evening, and so it's like low light situations, And so anyway, I decided that I was gonna buy a ring light. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump in. I bought this off of Amazon. It was $95. I bought the 18-inch dimmable fluorescent ring light. It came, oh Jesus, it came in this big old package right here. The brand of it is Neewer. That's Neewer. I will have the exact link to the one that I got down below in the description box. I'm just trying right now to unbox this. I'm going to try to unbox this and show you guys all the parts that come with it in case you have any questions, and then I'll probably stop the video and put it together and then come back after that, because I don't know how long it's going to take me to put this thing together, because I've seen some people on YouTube have some issues. But for $95, oh, that's okay. So that's all that's in the bag. So it comes in a bag. Again, it's Neewer, Neewer. It comes with a carrying case. I'm going to try to hurry this up. I don't want this to be like a 30-minute video, but we'll see. So it comes like this. I'm probably not going to be able to show you guys everything. I'm just going to take it out because I'm just not going to be able to show you guys every single thing. So there's some directions. So this is the actual ring light itself. It's an 18-inch. Let me put this off to the side. Out. These are the filters that come with it. These are the white filters. And then you've got the orange filters that come with it. So you can change the lighting. Okay. So then, and the rest of this is the little, I think they call this a hot shoe, S-H-U-E. And this is actually what your camera will mount on. So that's what your camera mounts on. This is the actual tripod itself. And then this is like I thought this was bendable. Okay. So anyway, so that is all the stuff that came with it. I'm going to read what this says on here. It's a Neewer 18-inch dimmable fluorescent ring light kit, 75-watt ring light, light stand, soft tube, filter, and bag for photography, YouTube, or self-video makeup. So, yep, it looks like everything that was in the bag is in here. But this one thing looks like it was bendable. Yeah, it does show that it bends. Maybe I'm just not bending it right. Like, oh, Oh, y'all got me. That piece right there, that long piece, see how it's bending? Like, mine didn't want to bend, and I'm like kind of scared, lightweight, to bend it. Oh my God. It's hard to bend. I'm scared to bend that anymore. It sounds like it's going to freaking break. So I'm not going to bend that anymore. But, where are we at? Oh, we're only at 7 minutes. Let me see if I can put this together. And if I start having issues, then we'll just have to stop. And, okay now. Okay now. Do I have to undo these a little bit or something? Yep. And then we got I guess this little gooseneck thing. Okay, so it does sit pretty high too. I'm not for sure how long it stretches out, but I don't need it to be that tall. As long as it goes up to at least 5 feet, I'm cool with it. So let's put this on. I think this is how this goes on here. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Okay, I think you have to unscrew this. Yeah, you do. There we go. Okay. Then you screw it on. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to keep mine at that level right there. Okay. So far, so good, y'all. So far, so good. All right. So we have the ring light. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the white filters on first. Okay, and they just kind of, as you can hear, they just kind of snap right into place. For real. Now y'all want to give me problems. All right, doggone. So we had this thing plugged in. Sorry about that. So I have it plugged in. And I'm going to, let me see where these settings are at. So, as you can see right now, this is my natural lighting, okay? So, we're going to turn this on. I don't really know how to turn it on. Where's the settings at back here? Oh! So, y'all see that? Wow! So, wow. So, dang. Woo. Okay. So, yes. And I don't even have this mounted. This is just right in front of me. So, I don't know if that's I'm going to see if this is the lowest setting. Hold on. Bear with me, y'all. Wow. Yes. So, oh no, it goes brighter. Yes. So this is the brightest. Yes. This is giving me like all kinds of something. I don't know what, but it's giving me all kinds of something. So that's really super bright. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna tone it down. So that is the dimmest that it is. And even that looks great, okay? So what I'm gonna do really quick is I'm gonna turn off this backlight back here. I'm gonna turn off my light. And this is the only light that's left on. Look, I'm not even in front of it and it's still giving off like amazing light. So that is amazing, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up for you guys to see. Again, on the highest setting. Y'all, this is so freaking awesome. Look at that. Like, you can literally record in the dark with just your ring light. That's so dope. So freaking dope. Okay, so we're at 18 minutes. If you guys hold on just a second, I will do the, I'm gonna turn this light back on so it's not completely dark. I'm gonna turn this off and then I'm going to, hold on. I'm gonna turn this off and then I'm gonna change the filters and I'm gonna use the orange filter. So y'all just, I'm gonna sit y'all right here and I'm gonna try to change the filters real quick. I had issues with because you do have to place these exact or else. So hopefully this is not gonna, I'm just gonna, they do come off easy. They just kind of pop off. Know if they're supposed to go. These confuse me. Oh well, I guess it don't really matter as long as it's. So I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, so this is the orange filter. So this definitely, I feel like, brings kind of like a, not really orange, but more of a bronzy kind of look. That's the dimmest. This is the brightest. Yeah, that definitely, ooh, sorry. I just totally shut you guys off. So yeah, this is definitely giving like a bronzy kind of effect. Let me shut off this light back here. This is really pretty too. I like this one. I definitely like the white light better because it's the more is this on the highest setting? I think I did turn it on the highest setting. Yeah, let's dim it a little bit. So yeah, so that's the orange filter. I still think it gives off great light, but I definitely like the white filters better. So yeah, so this is my new ring light, you guys. Again, it's Neewer, Neewer. You can get on Amazon. It was for $95, like $95.99 or something like that. Best money I probably ever spent. Well, I guess we'll see once I start recording. So thanks for watching, and look for some new videos from me. All right, catch you guys later. Bye.